In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Meet screen sharing not working. So over here, once you have your Google Meet open, the first thing you can try doing in case your screen sharing is not working, you should just simply leave the call like this, and then simply you can just rejoin it by clicking that button over here. Let me go back in here, there we go, and this may fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't, the second thing you should try is just simply closing down whatever browser you're using. So for me, I'm using Chrome, so just close down Chrome completely, and then you can even try restarting your computer and then opening it back up and opening your Chrome or whatever browser you're using again and joining the Meet again. Now, this could also solve the issue. If it doesn't, what you can also try is you can try using a different browser, okay? So for example, if you're using Chrome, you can try using Firefox or maybe Edge or Brave or whatever you're using. And then once you do that, this could help you solve the issue. But over here inside Chrome, in case you're using Chrome and nothing else is working regardless of what you do, what you can try is up here, you can see this little icon next to your link tab. So you want to click on this icon, and then you can try resetting the permissions. So just click on reset permissions and then make sure automatic picture-in-picture is basically enabled and turned on over here. So if it is, you can go to site settings over here, and this is going to open up your site settings for meet.google.com. And now here you want to make sure again you click on reset permissions, so it's gonna just reset. And if things still aren't working, what you should basically check out is whether, let me just show you which ones have to be on ask or allowed. So the most important ones are these over here, so automatic picture-in-picture, scrolling and zooming shared tabs. So this should either be on allowed or ask default, and these two are the most important, as well as this one, and really any basically different one that you can find, which could be connected to screen sharing or to basically live streaming inside your Google Meet. So this is when it comes to Windows. However, in case you are using a Mac or Mac OS, I found a solution over here for you as well. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I'm not on Mac right now, but over here, basically you have to go to System Preferences, and then you want to click on Security and Privacy, then click on Privacy again, and then on the left, you want to click on Screen Recording, and then over here, as you can see, for Mac users on the bottom left, you should click the lock to make changes, and in the window, enter in your password, and then click Unlock, and then on the right, you want to check the Google Chrome or Firefox box, okay? So that's pretty much that. Those are kind of all the fixes for your Google Meet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.